is very windy, but gorgeous sunset on this fabulous Saturday. I don't know if the audio is being recorded or not. It's very windy. It's kind of in my face, so obviously not get in there, but just wanted to share this fabulous sunset. And this is a slightly different live stream because it is coming to you from a Nikon D850, not from an iPhone. So video quality should be a lot better. Of course, I don't know exactly what quality the streaming platforms will be able to show. Right now I have a 85mm lens on it, so it's not a zoom lens, it's a fixed, it's a prime lens, so I can't really shoot it up as I usually. I didn't bring the lens because zooming is great, and because I would be zooming in and out with my hands, the movement can be but it can make the camera move like this. So Kennedy indicate speed. Kennedy's in frame right now. K2 at this distance fits just fine. Look at them sitting watching the boats go by. Such good boats. It's funny, 3 boats of different shades of blue. And there are actually more that are blue shaded boats. Kayak, I guess. And then obviously this fabulous red sunset. I guess everybody already headed home because certainly be heading back at this hour, at least at this minute at least. Just look at those clouds. Gorgeous sunset. Everybody's having a great weekend. The ones that I love and would have liked to be with this weekend, I know we had to change plans, but can't wait for repeat for full time together. So say well, be of love. Can't wait to see you again, and to my friends and family, the best this weekend, and my daughters and I are sending you our best wishes. And there is the sunset showing up in a minute. That'd be nice if I could zoom in, but then, as I said, the zoom lens makes the video move like this because I actually have a very nice gimbal that can, be operated with one hand with one button, but I didn't have time to mount the camera on that and get it set up. It's been sitting on my dining table for almost a year now, so it's on my list of things to do. But in the meantime, enjoy your Saturday night fever without fever, hopefully. And see you all. When I see you all, stay well. Thank you.